Hey guys, we're in my garage looking today at the Liftmaster garage door opener. I'm not sure what the model number it is. I don't see the model number. Maybe it's something LM. I know it's a 1/3 horsepower garage door opener. I want to show you what door is this. Windsor door. Oh, the light just turned off. When you turn the safety sensors, the light turns on. See? Okay, you have to hold the button in order to close it. Okay, I'm gonna close the garage door, okay? So, here we go. There we go. It's a chain drive. Yeah. We'll run it one more time. It's a very nice garage door opener. Excuse me. It's a very nice garage door opener. Okay, I'm gonna now close it again. Here we go. That's why you have to hold the button down in order to close the garage door. It's a really nice garage door opener rope. It runs really good. I'm not sure if we can get a new garage door opener as soon as our Liftmaster breaks. If our garage door opener breaks down, if we can't open it, we'll call the repair place and I'll choose an opener. But right now, we'll keep this opener until we buy a new one. And I'll show you what kind it is. Okay, so alrighty, I'm gonna go back in the house right now, so I'll publish this video on YouTube. I know that you see our little bit of a messy. I know, but right now I'm gonna point up the garage door opener towards the opener. It's a very nice garage door opener. There are the springs right there. Just in case if our springs broke, we'll have to get a new one. Or if the garage door opener breaks, we'll get a new one. And the opener as well. Okay. Alright, YouTube. Thanks for watching my video. I'll publish this video on YouTube. Check back soon and don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel. And take care, everyone. Bye-bye.